So today, just to curb your enthusiasm for food a bit and get into the enthusiasm for a great body,
Fitness.
we have with us two lovely people.
And we have from Celebrity Fitness, we've got two master instructors here on the Morning Zoo. We're speaking to Jed and also Dave. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
How's it going?
All good?
You good? Yeah? Where'd you guys come from earlier? Where you come from home?
Yeah, straight from home.
Straight from
Somewhere around
home.
Mines, yeah.
Did you have a good night's sleep, yeah?
Kinda, yeah.
Kinda.
It's good.
Okay, because these are fit people, so I just want to make sure what kind of lifestyle they have. Like, do you...
So we can emulate
Yeah,
them.
That's why I'm asking them, do you hang out at night before work in the morning? And what time do you sleep? I'm going to ask you guys. I'm going to grill you guys about fitness tips in
We
just a
don't
bit.
really have a life.
You don't?
It's all about fitness.
Join the
All about
club.
fitness, yeah.
Ah.
Well, before we get into that, tell us a bit about the background of yourself. For example, Jed, tell us a bit more.
Well, this is my what do you call it?
What do you call it?
Um,
Well, okay, I know previously you weren't always a trainer. You were actually a law student.
Yep. I studied law for about 5 years before deciding to join into fitness. So that's about it. Same goes for him as well.
Yeah, I did law as well. Together, we studied together a long time ago. Both of us started out as really fat people.
Yep,
We were really overweight and
Okay,
everything.
Kevin says he's fat sometimes.
Okay.
Even
Hey.
though he
He's
has
not.
he has about 2% of body fat,
No,
exaggeration
I
a bit.
actually went for your body. What do you call that?
BMI.
The analysis.
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah, that's
And
scary,
I
right?
I found out that I've got like 4 more % to lose if I really want to be stick thin.
I suppose, but not everybody wants to be stick thin. We want to be fit rather than thin, I would imagine.
That's
Yep,
true.
that's
But guys, tell us what you mean by fat. Jed, you said you were fat. Dev, you said you were fat. How fat is fat?
I was about 77 kg at my fattest.
And how about you, Dave?
117,
And right now, how heavy are you?
85.
And you, Jed?
45 kg.
45 kilograms.
Yep.
Both of you lost about 50 kilograms in total, almost.
Kinda,
About
yeah.
there.
In total,
Yeah,
yeah.
Okay, you know what, guys?
you
After
lost
this,
the whole Kevin.
when we wow, that's
Right.
That's clever. When we come back later, we're gonna ask you how to lose weight post Raya. How about that? This is the Morning Zoo, Kevin and Isabel. Good morning.
Switchfoot, we are tonight on the Morning Zoo. You're with Kevin and Isabel. Right now, we're telecasting to you live from channel 180 on Astro, and there's a repeat tonight at 8:15 p.m. if you do miss it out. But you know what? We are having two lovely people in the studio with us today. We have with us Jay and Dev as well from Celebrity Fitness. They're our master trainers, and they're gonna tell us exactly what we should be doing and putting in our mouths. Good morning, guys.
Good
Hi.
morning, Jed. Good morning, Dave.
Good morning.
We were asking you guys during the song break earlier, how's the gym like during the Raya season? Is there a lot of people going during the Puasa month or even after the Puasa month?
Gym is normally empty during a Raya.
Yeah, people don't think about exercising during this festive time and everything, yeah.
It's all about the food, man.
It's all about the food, it's all about, the Ramadan and everything, so people are not really thinking about exercising, which is actually quite a bit of a mistake.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
what do you think they should be doing then? What is your personal advice?
Yeah, I
We
mean,
shouldn't stop exercising during Ramadan. First of all, it's definitely okay to exercise during Ramadan, because the only thing that you need to be aware of is just the dehydration issues.
The
And-
dehydration
yeah,
issues.
so if you drink a lot of water during iftar, and if you drink a lot of water during sahur, then shouldn't be any problem.
okay.
Well, Jed, when you were fasting, what was your regime like? Just so our listeners can copy you, perhaps.
We do about we work out about 5 times in a week. Do we? Yeah,
5 times a week.
5 times in a week, and
That is no difference from a normal day, Kev.
no.
right. It's
I call,
practically the same.
but I call spending time with Isabel a good workout, so I'm not sure. That's because she's really. And Dave, you're talking about the idea of working out after Raya. How's that? How does that? How do you work out after the Raya season? For example, are the people coming back to gym now?
Well, it depends actually. A lot of people do come back to the gym, but even after Raya, it's still 4 months. People are going for open house. People are still visiting family and friends.
Mm-hmm.
The gym is not as packed as before. Before Raya, but I think people do still make an effort. They still come. How they work out? They have to go back to their original intensity.
All right,
All
what
right.
should they do to kickstart this whole workout regime, though? What's the first thing they should do? Should they start with their cardio? Should they start with their muscle or the fat loss? So what
Gonna
should they
have to
start
do a
with?
little bit of both, eh?
Everything. Why not
Everything.
everything? Yeah.
Are you going to show us something later on?
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Fantastic.
Okay. Just for those of you who are just joining us, we have two fitness instructors, master instructors from Celebrity Fitness here with us, Jed and Dave. After this, they're going to tell us what are you guys going to show us? Some basic techniques when it comes to.
We're gonna show like 4 different kind of exercises that uses a lot of muscles at the same time, so we can burn a lot of calories, a lot of that extra
Can you do
fat.
that at home, or do you have to go to a gym?
Well, all you gotta do is a pair of dumbbells. So you can do it at the gym. You know, you get extra motivation because a lot of people are watching. Or you can do it in the comfort of your own home if you have dumbbells.
Or instead of ketupats and putting them into your mouth, you can just lift them up with your
No
arms.
problem.
Oh, yeah, why not?
exactly.
And also, when we come, we actually have this question for you as well, because you have so much food in Malaysia. How do you not gain weight? Is there a diet secret? Come on, tell it to me in 30 seconds.
You gotta eat it, man. Like it's really hard for you not to eat it because the food is so good.
Yeah.
So what you want to do is just load up on the protein because it helps to improve satiety. So when you eat a lot of protein, you don't really eat anything else in that much quantity.
Okay.
Okay, so
And Dave, what about fiber? Is it important as well?
Definitely fiber is important. It actually helps with your digestion and everything, right?
All right,
So-
sorry, go on.
Okay.
When we come back later, I'm gonna ask you to give us some demonstration how to be fit and how to get into shape right
That is
here
what we want to know.
on the Morning Zoo. You're back into the Morning Zoo with Kevin and a couple of very, very fit people. Yes, the question is, where is Isabel, where is Jed, and where is Dave, the people that we're talking to? Now, they are actually giving us a demonstration because we're talking about post-Raya workouts and how to get back in shape after Raya. And presenting Dave and Isabel on the corner of the Conti right now. Give a round of applause for the beautiful girl and the very handsome young man. And right now, they're going to give us some demonstration on how to what are they giving a demonstration for, Jed?
they're gonna do the hand plank, and after that dumbbell ski swing. So right on with the hand plank.
A hand plank.
Yep.
What is a hand plank?
Yeah, so-
Explain it to us while they're doing it.
Well, what it's gonna do is this is an abs exercise, not just abs. This is core exercise. So it's gonna go down on all 4, and then it's gonna use his hand to balance, and also use his toes. So it's gonna be on his hands and the toes. Okay, just like that. Keep the body in a straight position, just like the push-up. So the starting position is the same with the push-up.
Do you have to push your buttocks back up in the air, or do you keep it
You
low?
wanna keep it low and straight. So everything
like
is straight,
parallel.
just like yep.
Your entire body should be like
That's
this.
correct.
Okay.
You want to squeeze everything up. You're gonna squeeze your butt. Okay, you're gonna squeeze your abs and make sure it's tight, and just hold it.
Hold it.
Yep.
So,
Yeah,
so,
just hold it.
so this is what they call planking.
Yep.
Something like that.
Yeah,
But
that's it.
what does it do? Which part of the body does it
It's gonna target
train?
the core muscles.
The core muscles, which
Yeah,
is
just
the
the
abs.
tummy. Okay, the obliques.
The
Okay,
obliques.
the lower back. Okay,
The butt.
the butt as well.
And
yes.
of course
Okay.
the rear. Yes.
Yep, yep, alright.
How do you feel, Isabel?
It feels spectacular. I could do this all day. So easy, so simple.
Right?
Yeah.
So easy.
All right.
She says it's very easy. Dave, what else could you could you give her? What else are we showing today?
Okay,
Jed?
so if you want to make it easier, it might be easy for her because she's been working out for a while, right?
Yes.
But to beginners, you might find it a little bit more challenging. So you want to reduce the height of it a little bit. You can go down on your elbows and make it slightly easier.
Okay, so you can do it on your elbows as
Yeah.
well. How much easier is like 50% easier, or because I've done it on my elbows before and it's difficult. It's like
Is it?
I had to do it for 2 minutes and I wanted to die in those 2 minutes. The longest 2 minutes in my life.
Okay, so 2 minutes is a little bit long, eh? For
It is,
planks.
it was-
That's impressive.
Yeah.
Okay, so anyway, you would just want to hold there for about, say, about 20 seconds.
Oh, 20, 30 seconds,
Yep.
something like that.
Yeah, if you really tighten your core, then you're really gonna feel it. 20 seconds just gonna kill it.
So you need to. So the point is to tighten your core when
Yep.
you're doing
So-
planks.
Okay.
Isabel, you're alive.
I am dead.
You're dead. Okay, Isabel.
I've actually snoozed halfway.
All
While
right
you guys
then.
were talking.
When we come back later, we're gonna ask them about some final tips. How do you lose weight after Raya? This is the Morning Zoo. Kevin, Isabel.
We have with us Jed and Dave. It's our final few minutes with them. And to sum it up, before we go, I was wanting to ask you, if you have a Raya buffet spread in front of you and you have no choice but you have to eat something from there, what do you choose that's the healthiest?
you got to come up with a good game plan for this one. I would really say to load up on the protein, because that can help to improve satiety.
What's protein?
Protein, like attack the rendang, okay, attack all the meat, okay. So that's really gonna make you full faster compared to the carbohydrate like lemang and stuff, okay. So load up like half of the plate with protein, I would say, and then if you can find vegetables, it's gonna be really hard.
Maybe
Just
like lontong or something like
maybe,
that, right?
yeah. Just load up another quarter of it with that, okay, and then lastly, all the fun stuff, last quarter of it.
Okay, got
yeah.
it. Fun stuff. I like that.
Yep.
And how about how important is to stock up on fruits during the Raya season?
Well, fruits are also a carbohydrate, so I wouldn't advise on doing too many fruits.
Uh-huh.
Right? You still want to increase our protein and fiber intake from vegetables and meats, especially our white meats, right?
Okay. What's white meat?
Chicken
Chicken.
breast, chicken,
Fish.
Yeah, that's white meat.
And lamb and beef would be
Red
red
meat,
meat.
yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also, another question that I've got for you is that we know that a lot of times we ask our listeners to go to the gym or go, work out as often as possible, go stretch, do some yoga. But in your experience, how many times should an average person go to a gym every week?
Well, if they go to the gym like 3 times in a week minimum, that would be great, right?
Yep, exactly. I actually sometimes advise people to go 5 times a week. So at least you have 2 days for cardio, 3 days for strength training, and maybe extra 1 day for do stretching and everything.
Shouldn't you have a break between every day though? Is that what because that's what I learned.
To let your muscles recover and stuff
It
like
depends
that.
on the kind of workout that you're doing. If you're targeting different muscle parts every time, then it should be okay for you to come every day.
Especially if we have a cardio day on a separate day. Yeah.
I know this sounds like I'm giving you excuses, but what if I just do not have the discipline to go to the gym, or I just don't have the discipline to work out all by myself?
Get a trainer.
Yeah, and no, and I do not have the money to get a
Right?
trainer, even though I go to Celebrity Fitness.
Oh.
How do I get around that?
Well, do
Yeah, what's the
something
best
fun, do
solution?
something exciting. I mean, we have so many free classes, cycling classes, RPM, we have all those aerobics classes. In fact, we even launched our new Hit Back and Fast Fit.
Hit back and fast fit.
Yeah.
It's like body combat.
Yes,
and,
sounds
it's something
and the
like
ABT.
crazy.
Something
It's
like that.
something
But you
like
get to
that,
hit them back.
But you get to hit them back.
Hit who back?
So your instructor is shouting at you, and you're like, "Oh, you shouldn't talk so much," and you hit the instructor back.
Yeah,
well, you
because
hit the
you
mid-
get
you hit the
partners.
mix.
And
So
Just
you get
kidding.
do you get
Yeah.
the gloves and all
yep,
that?
you get that. You get it
Yeah,
as
you
well.
get
Every
the
time you
gloves
come
and
to
everything.
class.
Kickboxing, like the Muay Thai
Yep,
classes.
something
Yes,
like that,
exactly.
yeah.
And these classes are all for free.
Yep.
Yes, they're free.
Bottom line is just choose whatever that you like. So if you like it, then you tend to go more often, right?
You
Yeah,
wanna have
that's
fun.
true. For example, for body jam, and some people like dancing, and some
Yeah.
people like belly dancing, and that will help them burn a lot of calories
Yep.
if they do
Yep,
it often.
exactly.
Before we wrap up the show, I'm just wondering what's happening at the gym. What's the latest happenings?
Well, we have the Pink Bosu party is on the 28th of September in Sunway Pyramid.
Yep.
I think it will be in front of the Sunway Lagoon area, right? It will be a very big event. You can
Yeah.
visit our website, Celebrity Fitness Malaysia.
A
for
lot
more
of our
information.
instructors are gonna be there.
Yeah, all of us super great instructors will be there. Yeah.
Based on my understanding, a
Alright.
bosu is like a round ball, right? A pink color
Yep,
round
it's,
ball.
it's like a half a ball.
Okay, got it.
Thank
It
you,
sounds
guys.
precarious.
Thank you guys so much for joining us here today, giving
Thank
us
you
all
for
those
having
fitness
us.
tips. Celebrity Fitness, find them on Facebook, find them on Twitter. This is Kevin and Isabel on the Morning Zoo. Have a great weekend.
Repeats at 8:15 tonight.
This is the Morning Zoo, Kevin and Isabel. How is it going? The final hour of the show. If there is a TV near you, we're actually live on. Oh, this microphone is moving around in my face like this. I'm not sure if I should